Would you recommend a subframe dead set kit for a Mark 8 with adjustable camber plates? I think the Mark 8 has the same subframe alignment issues as the Mark 7. So yes, we do recommend that. The problem is from the factory, the subframe is slotted, which allows the subframe to move left or right to equalize the camber, on the front suspension. It's really the only way you can adjust camber from the factory. But what happens is the factory subframe bolts will stretch. They won't apply an even torque holding load. And so the subframe starts moving. So that's when you start hearing the creaking, the popping, especially at low speeds when you're going up a driveway or something. You hear that stuff. So we came up years ago with a set of bushings that go in to the subframe and new bolts to clamp everything down. That prevents the subframe from moving. But now you can't adjust your camber. So with the camber plates, you can now adjust, you can get the camber you want. And you want to keep that subframe locked in as much as possible. And it's a relatively cheap product, relatively easy to do.